Bengals do not tolerate frailty of either body or mind. You show your weakness, it would consume you without hesitation. When it is coupled with enemy, it becomes further dangerous. The cardinal element of jungle warfare is maintaining an element of surprise and silence.
Active learners and not the passive listeners is what we are trying to achieve while designing and delivering our indoor classes here at NPA. We primarily do this by keeping 5 factors in mind. Number 1, generating interest in the topic. Number 2, involving the probationers in the process of learning. Number 3, interaction through faculty and peer-led discussion. Number 4, ongoing evaluation. And number 5, continuous feedback that helps us to achieve active learning.
Physical fitness, endurance, stamina are required to work for long hours and in difficult terrains. These are inculcated in future police leaders through outdoor activities like physical training, cross-country running, rock climbing, long-distance route marches.
The IPS officers need to work round the clock throughout their careers. Therefore, we focus our training on developing and nurturing the necessary emotional intelligence in our probationers so that they are equipped with the necessary fortitude to deal with tough and challenging situations.
In pursuit of strengthening the bilateral relations with friendly neighborhood, National Police Academy trains officers of Nepal, Bhutan, and Maldives.
After my training here, I have found out that this training, it encompasses all the activities, all the roles that a police have to do, not only physically but mentally and emotionally as well. Looking at the bandobast plan, looking at how you deal with riot control, every kind of situations, I feel now more confident that I'll be able to deal with such situations. And even the laws, the principles here are very in-depth, and which has allowed me to understand the laws of my country much better.
It's been a great opportunity to be trained along with the IPS probationers here for 10 long months. As we know, Nepal and India shares a long porous border, and the crimes prevention in the borders, trans-border crimes, and its investigation has been really a challenge for both the countries. I think the bond between the IPS probationers and now IPS officers and the officers from Nepal Police will help for the prevention, detection and investigation of the border crimes.
This training from the National Police Academy will strengthen the bond between Maldives Police Service and the Indian Police Service and help us in combating modern-day terrorism and cross-border crimes.
The strength of an institution lies in its ability to change and adapt itself in tune with the changing times. This institution evolved simultaneously with the evolution of the service to which it caters. Authoritative policing to rights-based policing, colonial policing to democratic policing. Today, Samvedi Police, Sashakt Samaj has been adopted as the watchword by the Academy to define the training philosophy. The director and members of the faculty endeavor chiseling out sensitized police officers to serve an empowered society.
As a part of career development for IPS officers, NPA conducts mandatory mid-career training programs for attaining next level of competency. Phase 3 is for SP rank officers having at least 9 years of experience with a theme of honing up the leadership skills. Phase 4 is for DIG and IG rank officers having at least 14 to 16 years of experience with the theme of innovation and strategy. Phase 5 is for IGP or ADG rank officers having 24 years of experience with the theme of change management and leadership.
The National Police Academy stands today as a symbol of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's dream of an Indian police service which is the steel framework of the country, unifying and protecting the country from external and internal threats.
सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी
लोहे जैसी हिम्मत है, लोहे सा जज्बा अपना, आंखों में लिए चलते हैं हम लौह पुरुष का सपना.
The IPS has been a great unifying factor of the country, and there are several officers who have unhesitatingly made the supreme sacrifice and laid down their lives in the course of performing their duty.
हम चलते हाथ लिए अमन प्रेम की रोशनी, देश ही दिल देश ही जान, इस देश के ही हैं हम.
What are the things one looks for in a dream job? It should be challenging, so that there are avenues of personal growth, meaningful, so that it gives purpose to your life, and rewarding for all the hard work you put into it. And believe me, there's no better reward than what you see in the eyes of people you serve, the sense of gratitude and happiness they have. If this is your idea of work, then IPS is the dream job for you.
ये देश मेरा मैं देश का, ये देश मेरा मैं देश का.
I take immense pride in my uniform, and I proudly stand today passing out of this prestigious institution as an IPS officer, having firm belief in myself that one day I will make my uniform take pride in me.
हर दिशा से चुनकर आए, कुछ ऐसा हम कर जाएं, व्यक्तित्व तराशे ऐसा जो मुल्क के काम आ जाए.
एकेडमी हम प्रोबेशनर्स को सिर्फ ज्ञान, कौशल, दक्षता ही नहीं देती, बल्कि इसके साथ साथ वह सोच और वह नजरिया भी देती है जो कब हमें ऐसे संवेदनशील पुलिस ऑफिसर्स में बदल देती है जो जनता को पुलिस से और पुलिस को जनता से जोड़कर एक बेहतर समाज बना सके.
नेतृत्व की अमर कहानी हर सांस में हम दोहराए, मेहनत कर हिम्मत से हम देश की आन बचाए.
Sisters, take this opportunity to transform yourselves from potential victims to protectors. Let us start taking responsibility of our lives and of those around us. Because if not us, then who? If not now, then when?
ये देश मेरा मैं देश का, ये देश मेरा मैं देश का.
We are the Indian Police Service. Join the IPS.
Join the IPS. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
मेरा मैं देश का.